Hello and welcome to a short tutorial for DJ. DJ is a music player which plays your local files. So, let's start. After you imported DJ, you find it under Tools, DJ, Configuration. Let's put this window down here, and you could also find it under Edit, Preferences, DJ. So let's quickly go through all the 5 tabs. So in the first tab, Config, you can change all the settings that affect DJ in general. Under Prefabs, you find all available prefabs. For example, you can click on Turntable, now it adds it to the scene. Then there's a Test Drive tab. Here you can put in your files to test them if they work inside of DJ. I have here one. Let's play it. Yeah, and it sounds good. Then under Help, you find all the necessary information to get you started with the asset, like the manual, the API, forum, and so on. And also I'll support the third-party assets. And in the About is just information about the asset, and also the update function where you can check if you need a new version or if there's a new version available. Inside the folder itself, you see the third-party folder where we have various implementations. Under Demo, there are some demo scenes ready for you to use, like the play scene. There you can change, for example, the path of your music files, or you can use a M3U file, whatever you like. And under Documentation is the API, for example. It's also online, or there you in the API you see all the classes. And under the documentation there is everything explained in detail, how you can use DJ, and also an example how you can run it in the background on mobile devices. Yeah. So let's start with our own implementation. Make a new scene. So as I said, you can either use the Prefabs tab here in the config window, or you can add DJ related things from the Tools menu. There's also prefabs, available, or you can right click in the hierarchy. There's a DJ menu entry, and there are all available prefabs. Let's go quickly through all of them. The turntable is the one component that is needed to play an actual music file. Then the radio record provider path is there to scan a path for potential music files. The playlist record provider is for playing playlists or scanning playlists like M3U and PLS. A record set consists of multiple record providers, and a DJ set consists of multiple record sets. So it's very flexible how you build your thing. A simple player is to simplify the use of DJ. It combines a turntable and a DJ or record set. The loudspeaker component is used to place multiple loudspeakers inside your scene. Like, for example, you have different houses, and in every one you've got one loudspeaker that plays the same turntable, or no, multiple other turntables as you like. The record saver is to save your current tracks from a turntable. Crossfader fades between two turntables, so you can actually crossfade between them, and a record fader fades one record to the other, so it's that you get a real smooth transition. The looper is meant for multiple cue points in your record, so you can, for example, add the bass or the start of a track and loop it like the first 5 seconds. You can add multiple cue points, and the survive scene switch component is there that you can still hear music even if you switch a scene. So now let's add a turntable first. Turntable, here you see it, has one important field, that's the file path to your current track. I put in the track from before. Now you can play it inside the editor. And it works. And there are other settings you can change. For more, please take a look in the manual. Then we will use now a record provider path. Take a look at them. There is the path we want to scan. This can actually be changed during runtime. You can use an asset like our free file browser to change it, or to give the user the opportunity to select his own audio folders. However, we see at this location there are already 83 tracks, and it scanned them, so you see them. There are also multiple settings you can change, like for example a watchdog that detects if you change or add, if you remove or add new files to this location, and so on. You can always, on this component and also on the set components, can you save the tracks as M3U or as PLS file, so that you can export it for other audio applications like Winamp or whatever. So then we need another component that's called the record set. The record set consists of 1 to n various record providers. So I will add this record provider, and now we see it already has added all those files from this record provider. And here I've got the possibility to actually filter something, like I can write here, let's say Triano, and now the list consists only of 2 records where the artist is Adriano. So when we remove that, we have all the records again. So this is very, very powerful, this filter mechanism. You can also change it at runtime. And then we need a simple player for our example. And the simple player consists of one DJ or record set and an actual turntable. Once again, it's also possible to filter. Yeah. So you can now play inside the editor, for example. So cool. You can also activate random play. That's something else. So, but now let's build a little audio player inside of Unity. So, we add a button. Let's move it to the center. Let's call it play. And then we connect this with the onClick function. We just drag and drop the simple player. The simple player has a method called play. So let's play the scene. No sound, and now when I click, it starts to play. So let's quickly duplicate those for the other things. So that could be our next button, this could be our previous button, and this could be our stop button. So this is previous, this is next, and this is stop. Okay, then connect those. They are already connected, just change the method. So this is the previous, there is a previous method. This is the next, so there is also a next method. And obviously there is a stop method too. So now let's start again. So play. You can also look, it works. Egyptian reggae, next. Okay. Now let's go back. Yeah. And stop it. Yeah, great. It already works. So this is our short tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.